Name me 5 countries in Africa.
Oh boy, here we go.
Madagascar.
Madagascar.
Madagascar too.
Jesus Christ, ano ba tabay? This one thinks African countries are movie titles. Where does she live? Avatar 3?
Samundo.
Samunda.
Well, me in the eye. So basically, these people think movies about Africa are 100% real.
Easy one. Wakanda.
Jesus Christ, ano ba tabay? But wait, that means if I tell these people I have vibranium for sale, they will believe me and buy it. I am rich.
Zambolia. Zambolia.
Zambolia, is that Zambia and Somalia's unborn child?
Africa's its own thing.
She is not wrong, but she is also very wrong, if you know what I mean.
There's only 3. I mean, there's only 1 because it's its own place.
Never mind, forget what I said. She is more wrong than dating your own grandmother.